Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can go about limiting the computers that a user can log on to in Active Directory 2019. I'm currently logged on to my DC1 for Server 2019, and I'm up inside of Server Manager, and from here let's go to Tools, and from Tools let's go down to Active Directory Users and Computers. Let's open up our Users container, and once we're inside of here, let's go find the user and let's just double click. Now once we have the user's properties up, we can go to the Account tab. Now to limit the number of computers the individual can log on to, just click on the Log On To button. Now by default the user can log on to any computer on the network, but if you want to restrict them, just go ahead and select the radio button for the following computer, type in the computer name that you want to restrict them to, and that's the only computer they will be allowed to access. In this case, I just type in DC1, I'll click Add, and when I click OK, this user will be restricted to being able to log on only to DC1. So you can add in additional computers that the individual can log on to. You don't have to just restrict them to one. But if you put one computer in here, that is the only machine that the individual will be able to log on to. To remove the restriction, just highlight the computer and just say Remove. Go back and select the radio button for all computers, say OK, say Apply, and now the user is back to the default setting. That's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about limiting the number of computers that a user can log on to in Active Directory for 2019. So if you have any issues or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.